Many people after the age of 60 begin to lose the ability to sleep deeply. They have tried sleeping pills. They have tried melatonin. They have even drunk herbal teas. Yet their sleep remains short and restless. Every morning they wake up feeling as if they had never truly rested. What may surprise you is that a familiar ingredient in your kitchen, the onion, could be the very key to completely transforming your sleep quality. An onion is not just food. For centuries, it has been used as a natural remedy to support health. And today, science confirms that onions can help the body relax, reduce nervous tension, regulate serotonin, and promote deep natural sleep without the need for medication. In this video, I will share with you 4 simple ways to use onions at home to improve your sleep. All are easy to do, safe, and effective. Most importantly, the 4th method can bring a noticeable change in just a few days. If sleep matters to you, watch until the end so you will not miss the most important part. If you are looking for a natural solution for better sleep, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications right now, so every time I share a new method, you will be the first to know. But before I share the 4 most effective ways to apply it, you need to understand why such a humble vegetable like the onion can make such a big difference to your sleep. This is not just a common cooking ingredient. Inside it lies a storehouse of nutrients and bioactive compounds that science has proven to directly affect the nervous system and the body's circadian rhythm. Onions contain groups of flavonoids and saponins that act as natural sedatives, helping the nervous system calm down after a long day, reducing feelings of anxiety and stress. The very factors that make it harder for you to fall asleep or cause you to wake up in the middle of the night. The rich amount of tryptophan in onions is the raw material the body needs to produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 key hormones that help you feel sleepy at the right time and maintain deep sleep. Not only that, onions also contain phytins that help slow the heart rate, steady the breath, and create a natural state of relaxation before bedtime. A randomized placebo-controlled trial showed that when using onion extract rich in sinusic oxide, the time it took to fall asleep was shortened and overall quality of life improved noticeably in a short period. Powerful flavonoids such as quercetin, symphyrococaine, and narininanin in onions also serve as a shield to protect brain tissue fighting against age-related neurodegeneration. They inhibit apoptosis, a process that causes nerve cells to weaken over time. At the same time, flavonoids and polyphenols help regulate melatonin and circadian rhythm, especially useful for those who tend to wake up during the night or sleep lightly. Thanks to the combination of all these factors, onions become one of the easiest, most natural solutions worth trying if you want to regain full restorative sleep after 60. And once you know onions can have such a powerful impact on your sleep, the next step is to choose the right timing and method to get the best results. During the day, you may be busy moving around or exposed to external stressors that make it hard for the nervous system to relax. But dinner time is the perfect window for your body to absorb nutrients that help you unwind and prepare for sleep. This is why onions should be included in your evening menu when the circadian rhythm begins to slow down and the stomach is ready to digest light restorative foods. Number 4, eating onions in the evening. This does not require a big change in your habits. You only need to add a small amount of onion to your familiar dishes. If eaten raw, about 30 to 50 grams per day, slice it and mix with salad to keep its crisp sweetness. If you have a sensitive stomach, choose cooked onions with a maximum of 1 bulb per day, about 100 to 120 g divided into 1 or 2 meals. Cooked onions still retain many active compounds, are easier to digest, and are suitable for older adults. Those who have tried this often share that after just a few evenings of keeping it up, they feel lighter when getting into bed, fall asleep more easily, and wake up less during the night. Some also notice that eating onions in the evening makes the meal more flavorful without needing to add much seasoning, reducing the amount of salt and fat in the diet. This is a small change, but enough to start your journey toward restoring full, restful sleep. If you think this makes sense, click like so. I know you want more tips on eating for deeper sleep. If you want to try a method that does not require eating, but still takes advantage of the benefits of onions, the next way will surprise you. It is gentle, does not disrupt your routine, and is especially suitable for those who do not want to change their taste or have digestive issues. Number 3. Placing onions under the pillow. This tip has been used by many people for a long time, and now science can partly explain its effects. When onions are sliced and placed near your pillow, their natural aroma gently diffuses into the air, creating a more pleasant environment for sleep. Some people also notice that it helps them breathe more easily at night and reduces restlessness when lying down. In addition, the smell of onions can keep mosquitoes and some insects away, helping maintain a quieter sleeping space. If placing onions under the pillow brings a gentle, gradual effect, the next method will create a more noticeable impact starting from the very first night you try it. This is for those who want faster results while still keeping things simple and easy to do. Number 2. A jar of crushed onions placed near the nose. If you want the scent of onions to work faster and more strongly than any other method, this is almost an instant choice. When onions are crushed, their active compounds, especially phytoncides and alptofan, are released at the highest level. Placed close enough, you will inhale this concentrated aroma from the very first minutes after lying down. The method is simple yet surprisingly effective. Take a sufficient amount of onion, crush it. Finally, put it in a clean glass jar and seal it. Before bedtime, open the lid and place the jar near your nose or close to your bedside so the scent can spread continuously throughout the night. If you are sensitive to the smell, start with a greater distance and adjust gradually until you find the right position. It requires little preparation, but many people say that after trying it, they fall asleep much faster. The restlessness before bedtime disappears, and the number of times they wake up during the night decreases significantly. On nights when you feel tense or your mind is still racing with thoughts, this tip can help you switch off that state in just a few minutes. If you want to go straight to the most powerful method, one that works almost immediately and does not depend on inhaling the aroma, then the last way is the top choice. This is also the secret many people turn to when they need to improve their sleep in just a few days. Number 1. Drinking diluted onion juice before bed. This is the final step and also the strongest way to take advantage of the effects of onions. If the previous methods help your body relax gradually, this one delivers the nutrients directly inside, creating an almost instant effect. Onion juice is a concentrated source of alptofan, quercetin, and ceanoe sulfoside. This trio of compounds has been studied and shown to quickly lower cortisol, the stress hormone that keeps you tossing and turning while activating melatonin production to guide you into deep sleep. A randomized placebo-controlled study found that supplementing with onion extract rich in ceanoe sulfoxide significantly shortened the time it took to fall asleep and reduced nighttime awakenings after just a few weeks. The method is very simple. Juice a medium onion. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of the juice mix with about 100 ml of warm water and drink 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Do not drink it undiluted as it may irritate the stomach. If you have a sensitive stomach, take it after dinner and monitor how your body responds. Many people who have tried this report that after just 3 nights they slept more deeply, woke up less often, and rose feeling lighter instead of sluggish. This is the choice for those who want a clear, fast-acting solution that does not depend on luck. Save this tip. Try it tonight and come back tomorrow to share your results. Your experience might help hundreds of others who are struggling with sleeplessness just like you. Now that you know of 4 ways to use it, there is something extremely important I want you to remember. These tips will only truly work if they are used correctly and safely. Skipping this part could mean you see no results or worse, encounter unwanted reactions. Here are a few cautions to keep in mind. Avoid using onions this way if you are allergic to them. Are taking blood thinners, have irritable bowel syndrome, or frequently experience heartburn. For raw onions, limit intake to about 30 to 50 grams per day. Ideally, eaten with a salad and never on an empty stomach. For cooked onions, a maximum of 1 bulb per day is safe. When placing onions under the pillow or using a jar of crushed onions, use only a small amount and replace it regularly to maintain hygiene. Also, onions have a strong, pungent aroma. If placed too close to your face, they may cause eye irritation or discomfort in sensitive individuals. Start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. The effects of onions on sleep are not the same for everyone. Some may notice results in just a few nights, while others may not feel much change. And most importantly, always choose fresh, clean onions that are free from spoilage to avoid the risk of bacterial contamination or other health issues. Deep sleep never happens by accident. It is the result of precise signals you send to your body at the right time, and with enough strength for the brain to understand that it is time to rest. The onion, that seemingly ordinary spice still sitting in the corner of your kitchen, can become a gentle yet powerful tool to restore those peaceful, uninterrupted nights. You do not need to use all 4 methods at once. Just choose the one that feels easiest for you to try tonight. It could be a few slices of onion in your dinner, a jar of onions placed beside your pillow, or a glass of diluted onion juice before bed. The important thing is to start so your body has the chance to feel and remember this relaxation signal. Once you find the method that works for you, stay consistent for a few days and watch for changes. You may be surprised to find yourself falling asleep faster, sleeping more deeply, and waking up feeling lighter instead of tired. If you find these tips helpful, do not keep them to yourself. Share your experience. Your story might inspire someone else to overcome long nights of sleeplessness. Watch the video on the left to discover 7 great health benefits of ginger. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe today so you will not miss the most natural, safe, and effective solutions for sleep.